Hi, welcome to Boston Institute of Analytics. I am Mohammad Tajuddin, Campus Director. We have recently opened Boston Institute of Analytics Training Center at Patna. The address is 2nd floor, Kumar Tower, opposite gate number 10 of Gandhi Maidan, Exhibition Road, beside Hotel Panache.
As you know, our company is US-based company, and that's for our certificate is recognized by the global recruiters. We provide 100% lifetime job assistance.
So guys, I told you earlier that we have a presence all across the world, and that is why our certificate is globally validated, it's globally recognized. So alumni who have passed from our organization, they have worked in companies like you can see the list of the companies. They all are the Fortune 500 organizations where our alumni are working. So it's all a proud for us, and it's a USP of our organization. And every month, every year, people who are passing out from Boston Institute of Analytics, they are joining into the Fortune 500 organization. As you know, we have a presence in 7+ countries, so our certificate is globally recognized. And now the time has come when people has to gain the skill of AI and data analytics. As per the industry trends, till the end of year 2026, approx 10 million people will be required in the industry of AI and data analytics. So to cater this, to make the people skilled in this sector, we have opened a training center right here in the Patna, such that the people from Bihar need not to migrate to the metros and other states to acquire the skills. So I hope this will be a better opportunity for the people of Bihar. So grab this opportunity and come and visit our